It is now thunder and lightning. You see that? So the live stream will be delayed. It may not be tonight. I will come on as soon as possible. You hear that? So, Stephen F. saying the live stream will be delayed. I'm checking everything. See the clouds, it's coming down. There we go again. Just want to show you that. You'll hear the thunder in a moment. So there won't be any live stream tonight. And son of a gun. Look over there. There's the lightning. But you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're all lit tonight. Just took a while for it to light up, so they're all lit. But we'll have to wait for the thunderstorm to be over. I shut my computer down and I do not do anything. I'm on my phone telling everybody that the live stream will be delayed. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to keep watching for a live stream coming up. And if I'm live, you'll see it. Hopefully the storm will end before a reasonable hour. But we will come on tonight if we can. If we can't, it's because of the thunderstorm. You can see, let's put the light on, I'll show you. It's flooded over there. It's all flooded. I want to see if I can get the light to come on. It is pouring. See it? Another one of lightning. But that's it. Totally flooded. It will help our plants. I will see you in the next video. Remember, no live stream until the thunderstorm passes. I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to keep watching for a live stream tonight. And I can't believe the light came on. There it goes. I figured I'd be out here for another few minutes just to show you. Let's see if you hear the thunder. It's thunder now. You hear it? Once the rain thunderstorm passes, we will do our live stream. If not, I will be on tomorrow night at tomorrow night at 8:35 Eastern. Till then, Stephen F. signing off. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, ding that bell, let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next video. I'll be looking for some other live stream on my phone, but I will not be live streaming tonight until the thunderstorm passes. There we go. I'm under the gazebo, and it is holding up nicely. There we go again. So, I will see you in the next one. I'll be looking for someone else. I'll be running some videos on my smart TV, but not on my phone, not on my computer. My computer is shut down until the storm is over. I will see you in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think. See if we can get one more. You hear the thunder? You hear the rain? I will see you in the next video.